50. Oops.
Oh! What the hell? Ano yun? Why was it attacking us?
Kaya nga. Yung sinagsihan, he's dead actually.
Ano yun?
Kaya nga. Ganun.
May ano ba yun? May rabies ba yun? So, mga akong ganyan, no? Laki kayo.
Ang laki pa naman nila.
Oo. Why was it? Kung tayo yun, wala on foot tayo.
Iwasan ko lang, pero kung magdasmag siya, is really fun. Wala kang magawa eh. Dogs are not, mo naman sa...
Na-record yun ba?
Okay. Yung pan mo sa dog? It's okay. Pero yung cat,
Ito may entrance fee to ba? Sabi ko makapasok tayo lang.
eh kunwari, gawa natin.
Martin na lang.
Check mo natin. 110. Ha?
For parking. Free for 20 TL for car.
Taxi?
Hindi, car. 20 TL. Okay lang mo siguro para makaparking lot tayo.
20? This one? Parking? Is it open? Until what time?
20 lira parking.
For parking? Okay, we'll pay now. Now? Okay, thank you daw.
Cash.
Cash ah?
Cash. 20 lang naman. Makaparking lot tayo at least.
Well, katik na. Iyok mo na? Dali pa.
Wala po, ano eh.
May pakiabot ng icon ko may.
Ito.
Ayan, 20. One. Until what time? Is that open?
8.
8? Okay.
Kita naman, nakita. Sure ka? Ma, di mo alam mag-i-attack kami ng dog ba? Oh, entrance, Giris.
Giris dito. Tapos dito?
Hindi makapasok. Dito lang tayo sa parking lot.
You have arrived. Finally, I've been working so hard. I was starting to have an auto body experience.
Laki ng mga aso na dito. Malakot ka ayaw.
Nag-attack. Alam ko bakit nag-attack yun.
Bakit?
Parang may narinig ng snore na malakas. Kasi ang dogs kasi can